Alright guys, so we're hiking over to Trinidad State Beach, and no, we are not in Trinidad. we are in California, and this is what we see. How excited are we? Ziada? Hello? Oh man, it is gorgeous. Alright guys, today is the day that I've been waiting for so long. Every step of the process, putting the subfloor in, the cleaning, the scrubbing, everything has been leading to this moment. And that is standing up the walls. So all of the walls have been constructed as we saw in the last video, and now it's time to stand it up. I have help from my handy dandy partner who does not want to be on camera, a part of the intro, which is fine. And then I have another friend coming over later who is also going to help us stand the walls up. So we're going to start with this side. My original plan for the layout of my truck had the entryway, the front door. Yeah, we can call it the front door. It was going to be on the driver's side, but I decided that that is just not a very good plan. So I'm just flipping my layout over. So all the walls that were going to originally be on this side are now going to be on this side of the truck. Yeah, so we're going to get through the process, and I'll show you what I'm doing, how I'm adhering the walls to the subfloor, and give you guys as many tips and instructions as I possibly can. As always, I'm not a pro. I'm learning this as I go, so do what I do at your own risk. Disclaimer. All right, let's get started. So we have our first wall up on the truck. The wall's going to go up in sections. This section is the very back wall. I did some adjusting in the way that I built the walls. So in order to make sure that everything falls in place the way that I'm planning for it to, I have to start with the wall in the back and work my way up to the front. For each wall section, when I go to attach them to the subfloor, I'm going to put down a nice little layer of glue. This is going to help to seal the floor between the bottom track and the wood. It's going to keep moisture out, and it's just going to make sure that it's extra sturdy and attached. Now, I'm also going to be bolting it down to the chassis. I'm going to drill a hole straight down through the floor, through the studs, through the floor, through the chassis of the truck, and bolt that down as well. But you can never have enough contact points to make sure that these walls are nice and strong and sturdy, right? So the next step of the process is to go there and put this down. If you're wondering what it is, I'll rotate it for you. So it's liquid nail. It's made for subfloor, in decking construction. It's an adhesive, and I also have a little bit of this as well, some Loctite. So I'm going to be using the rest of this. This was left over from my subfloor. No need to waste it. An adhesive is just about an adhesive. It'll do the job. It'll get the job done. And then once I run out of this, I'll use the Loctite that I also purchased. All right, let's get going. walls are complete and I'm really happy with them. Tomorrow I'm going to come in and I'm going to work on making sure that everything is square in terms of from this side to this side, so I can start to figure out the dimensions for the roof panels, and working on the internal walls as well, and starting to just really continue to pull this thing together. I'm really excited. I had a great team working with me today because I could not have pulled this off without teamwork. Yes. So yeah, that's it. My internal sidewalls are up and standing and done. Next step is to work on the internal walls, and well, my internal sidewalls are done and standing. I'm not sure if I said that the first time. Next step is to work on my internal walls and my roof, my loft area that's going to go to the back end on that side. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Of course, as I say in every video, there's more video content to come, and the truck is really starting to get into an exciting place in terms of the construction. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't, but I would prefer a thumbs up. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.